Golden sunlight bathes the iconic skyline of historic London City. Mist rises softly around the ancient towers of Edinburgh Castle. Tranquil waters reflect the rolling green fells of Windermere. Charming stone cottages bloom with beautiful summer flowers and Cotswolds. Towering white cliffs stand firm against the crashing blue waves. Steam rises from ancient waters of the historic Roman baths. Moody skies drift over the dramatic peaks of Sky Island. Radcliffe Camera stands proud among Oxford's historic dreaming stone spires. Basalt columns of Giant's Causeway stretch into the cold ocean. Modern copper walls glow beautifully on Cardiff's scenic waterfront bay. Stone walls wind through purple heather in the Peak District. Medieval timber buildings lean over the historic street of York. Mount Snowdon reflects perfectly in the glass-still mountain lake. Wooden punts glide gently along the peaceful winding river Cam.
I can't believe how beautiful the chapel looks from the river.
It's definitely the best view in Cambridge.
An ancient island castle stands proudly in Cornwall's blue sea. Crashing waves carve the dramatic cliffs of the Causeway coast. Sunset colors warm the historic stone walls of ancient Londonderry. The famous Glenfinnan Viaduct curves through the rugged Scottish Highlands. Snowdonia Castle shines brightly under the quiet twilight sky. Brightly painted harborside buildings reflect in the peaceful Scottish waters. Golden sand dunes stretch out to meet the quiet sea. Glass skyscrapers shine brilliantly over Manchester's modern waterfront at night. The famous Liver Building stands proud beside the Mersey River. graze peacefully on the misty moors of Exmoor. Durdle Door's limestone arch stands in the sparkling blue ocean. Morning sun warms the mysterious stones of ancient silent Stonehenge.
Look at these vintage cameras.
Wow, this street art is incredible.
Bustling narrow lanes of Brighton overflow with unique creative energy. Majestic Gothic towers of Canterbury Cathedral reach towards the heavens. A traditional wooden windmill stands beside silent, slow Norfolk waterways. Waves crash violently against the dramatic cliffs of Land's End. Thick mountain mist drifts slowly through the valleys of Glencoe. Haunting ruins of Whitby Abbey overlook the cold North Sea. Elegant Georgian stone terraces curve gracefully in historic Bath City. Rugged granite peaks of Dartmoor stand dark against golden sunset. Colorful fishing boats rest quietly in the harbor of Cornwall. Modern red brick geometric lines define the Grand British Library. Charming historic timber-framed houses line the old streets of Chester. The Old Man of Hoy stands tall against crashing waves. Lush green dales are divided by ancient gray stone walls. Spire of rock rises high above the misty sky hills. Vibrant urban murals decorate the creative streets of busy Bristol. Calm turquoise water fills the perfect horseshoe cove of Lulworth. The world's first iron bridge spans across the River Severn. Purple heather carpet stretches as far as the eye sees. Minack Theatre sits carved directly into the spectacular Cornish cliffs. Exquisite stone carvings decorate the grand facade of York Minster. Vast golden sands meet the green pine forests of Norfolk. Cobbled medieval lanes twist through the historic town of Rye. Moody ruins of Corfe Castle stand silent on the hill. Futuristic curves of Sage Gateshead glow over the River Tyne. Peaceful waters wind through the beautiful lush green Wye Valley. White chalk stacks of Old Harry rise from blue sea. Thatched roof cottages sit surrounded by beautiful, colorful summer country gardens. Rugged basalt cliffs meet the wild sea of Northern Ireland. Red brick buildings showcase the rich industrial history of Birmingham. Snow-capped mountain peaks rise above the silent forests of Cairngorms. Exotic minarets of Brighton Pavilion glow under the twilight sky. Rolling green pathways stretch across the peaceful open South Downs. Durham's historic university stone buildings overlook the winding river valley. Famous chalk stacks of the Needles guard the ocean waters. Windsor Castle's majestic stone towers welcome the warm morning sun. Towering white cliffs and dark sea caves face the ocean. Rain falls gently over the historic streets of Castle Combe. Peaceful green hills roll gently across the scenic Scottish borders. The modern Dundee Museum sits beautifully on the river edge. Gnarled yew trees stand inside the quiet, misty forest depths. Vibrant beach huts bring bright color to the Suffolk coast. Sunlight streams through the high Gothic windows of Wells Cathedral. Granite peaks of the Mourne Mountains rise into gray clouds. St. Andrew's ruins stand silent beside the cold, gray sea. Beautiful purple heather covers the scenic, rolling Shropshire rural hills. Tropical palms thrive in the unique gardens of Tresco Abbey. Cobbled medieval streets climb slowly towards the grand Lincoln Cathedral. Unique limestone pavement covers the grand top of Malham Cove. Beautiful sunset colors reflect in the quiet waters of Wales. Glamis Castle stands proudly inside the beautiful green Scottish countryside. Colorful summer flowers bloom inside the peaceful Scottish manor gardens. Futuristic glass biomes of the Eden Project shelter tropical plants. Arundel Castle looms grandly above the historic cobbled streets below. Dramatic dark sea stacks rise from the churning northern waters. Norwich's lively market square bursts with colorful stalls and shoppers.
Best quality in all of Norfolk, I promise.
I'll take a whole basket of them, please.
Winding country lanes wander through the beautiful rolling Ribble Valley. Rugged mountains loom over the beautiful wild Isle of Mull. Ornate red sandstone carvings decorate Chester's historic cathedral walls. Vast sandy beaches of Holcombe stretch towards the quiet ocean. Metallic discs of Birmingham's modern icon catch the evening light. Gnarled, mossy trees create a mysterious atmosphere in ancient woods. Crashing blue waves meet the rugged rocks of Lizard Peninsula. Modern skyscrapers of London shine brightly beside the dark river. Soaring stone aqueduct carries water high above the green valley. The majestic Three Sisters peaks stand tall over historic Glencoe. Pristine white sands meet turquoise waters on Isle of Harris. Intricate Gothic stone vaulting decorates the famous Oxford University ceiling. Stormy clouds roll over the vast purple Yorkshire heather fields. Golden geometric facade of Birmingham Library glows under evening skies. Arlington Row stone cottages sit peacefully beside a quiet stream. Seabirds soar above the dark cliffs of historic Rathlin Island. Iconic Tyne Bridge reflects the bright lights of Newcastle City. Green turf of Lord's Cricket Ground looks majestic from above. White-clad players enjoy a traditional cricket match in the Cotswolds. Historic St. Andrews. Old Course stretches beautifully beside the sea. Pristine lawns of Centre Court wait for the championship match. Golden sunset light illuminates the massive stands of Twickenham Stadium. A scenic football pitch sits inside a Peak District valley. Vibrant blue stadium lights illuminate the historic pitch of Edgbaston. Grand retractable roof of Cardiff's famous stadium opens to sky.
And so, the sun sets on this ancient city, a place where history meets the future, forever evolving, yet timeless.